Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to give the same lengths of the photos that you add in the CapCut PC. So here I've already add 3 photos into the CapCut PC timeline, and you can see now that the current length is the our difference from each photos. This is 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and 5 seconds. And how to make it the same length? So what you need to do is just set the duration, the default settings of the image duration. So I'm going to delete these images first. So what you need to do is go to menu, click on the settings, and in here click on the edit options. Okay, so you can see under the edit tab there is image duration setting. So the current default setting is 5 seconds, and if you want to make it the same length when you add the images to the timeline, you can just set it in here. So for example, I want to set the default setting is 3 seconds. Just click on 3 like this, or you can also set the image duration by frame, but I'm going to just go with second. And when you're done, just click on save. So when I add this image into the timeline, I'm going to drag it in here. They all will have the same duration, which is 3 seconds, like this. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.